Debbie Thomas from the Mortgage Group joins us now to talk about what else mortgages again today. And despite the fact that the Bank of Canada haven't increased any of the numbers, mortgage rates have gone up in the last couple of weeks.
Mortgage rates have gone up twice in the last couple of weeks, but that's not always bad news. So there is some silver lining in this.
There is a silver lining.
So some of the negatives and the positives. I'll start with the bad news, and that is those ridiculously low rates are now finished. Now those were more like emergency rates because of the recession and the economy. We're now up into the 4.5 range for 5%.
Is this for a 5%, like fixed year, 5-year term? Okay.
Correct. Yeah,
so these are fixed mortgages.
Now, 4.5% is still a great rate, considering the average 5-year has, over the last 18 years, has been 6.2. So we've still got some room.
Yeah.
The good news in all of this is the market activity has just gone crazy. So those people that had pre-approvals out there are now out buying because they don't want to lose that rate. All of those that perhaps were in variable rate products have now decided they might want to lock in. So the 1-800 customer service numbers of all the lending institutions are crazy. Anybody that's in the industry, realtors in particular, please, if you're working on an offer to purchase with a realtor, make sure that you give 5 to 7 business days to get rid of subject removals, because the lenders are so backed up.
Are they?
That they're prioritizing what comes in the door right now.
Are we getting into that buying frenzy again that the Vancouver market dealt with a few years ago?
Well, we sort of were in the buying frenzy starting in February and March. There was a little bit of a bleep. Things had kind of calmed down, but now with those bumps in the rates, people are now starting
they're panicking, but they want to buy before the rates go much higher.
Variable rates have also come down. So for the fixed going up, variable coming down, we're now at prime plus 35.
So would you recommend someone purchasing a house right now, and a lot of people are going with the variable rate? We know that they're not going to raise rates for at least a year.
That's right. It might be a good idea to go in a product that's 50-50.
Like a split mortgage.
Take a half in the variable and a half in the fixed, and that way, you know, it's a win-win situation.
Okay.
Now, the best thing that's happened when rates go up is that all of those people that wanted to perhaps lock into today's low rates and pay a penalty, that penalty has now reduced. Every time the rates go up, that penalty comes down. So if you want to revisit whether you want to pay a penalty and lock into today's low rates, it's really a good time to do that.
Okay.
So if you want to pop me an email again, I can walk you through the numbers.
All right, we're going to show everybody your emails. This is always such a popular segment. We always have so much feedback after you're on. Debbie, thank you. It's Debbie Thomas at the Mortgage Group, 604-707-6304, or you can email her, dthomas@mortgagegroupgrp.com.